Hi, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a 30 cubic foot Gemco Double Cone blender. It's the Gemco-matic series, and as the blender rotates, you'll see some of the hardware on the discharge side where the valve is. And you'll see two platforms with 4 bolts in them as they come around right now. And that's for the mounting of the 2 air cylinders, which would extend down to a platform with a small roller on it. And I know a lot of you are familiar with this. And the operator can then place the open drum in there, lift it up to the collar around the discharge, rotate and invert the blender, unloading the contents into the unit, close the valve, flip it back down, and start the process over again until you're completely full. You'll see on the end that we didn't get the idler side for this unit, so we've just taken a steel I-beam stand, tailored it to size, drilled it for the idler bearing on the end. The blender comes out of pharmaceutical service. It is a sanitary design. Has the Gemco 18-inch swing valve inside, as well as it rotates around, you'll see a small box on the outside near the discharge right there, and that is the vibrator, which is tested and operating. We're going to also put new air cylinders on the braking disc you see right here on the end of the gear reducer, operating off the main drive. The secondary motor is an inching motor. The unit would need its complete control system for the Gemco-matic and some of the components. Most of the pneumatics seem to be in good condition or are still on the blender right now. And we're probably going to add the rotary valve on the end so we can test all that system. We have lots of blenders in our stock like this, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to seeing you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.